let's explore the trade volume index, or as it's known, its short variation, the TVI. Powerful indicator that compares the relationships between the price and the volumes. The values, this indicator adds values when the prices close higher than the previous periods and subtracts values when it closes below the previous periods. When the indicator rises, it indicates a strong, healthy buyers grip over the instrument and strong bullish market conditions, which help us, the traders, to understand we should be looking to buy on retraces, for example. And on the other hand, when the volume decreases, that's a sign for us, especially when we are in a bullish trend. It's time to be careful. Let this correction finish before we jump in the trend again. So let's add this indicator on the chart. Let's see where we find it and how do we actually use that. So step one, where is this indicator located? You go to the indicator sections, volume, and the third from the bottom, you would see the trade volume index. You can, of course, here predefine your preferred settings. These are the default settings. In lines, you can choose the style and the thickness of the line and add the visibility to all the time frames and chart types you would like to see that. Click OK, and this is what you will see. As I mentioned before, the indicator will add values like it happens here when the close is higher than the previous close. It's a strong bullish condition, the volume aligned with the price, healthy market conditions. And on the other hand, in conditions like that, for example, when the indicator starts to make lower highs and decrease its values, that is a sign that we are entering a corrective structure or a bearish period, either a bearish trend or a correction of a bullish trend, and that's an indication we have to be careful in that case until the indicator will again start to align with the price. The market will make higher highs, the indicator will make higher highs to indicate healthy conditions. But it also gives you the signs where you have to pay attention when there is like a red bold, red line giving you the aha moment to be prepared for a potential early signs of correction or reversals. For example, like happens here, the market makes its higher highs, but the indicator may actually make lower highs, creating a divergence. It's called a bearish divergence, and this is the indication that something happens behind the scenes. The buyers are not as powerful despite making higher highs on the chart. That's your sign to be careful, and a correction could come. So that's an early sign that something might happen. But on the other hand, when the market leaves the corrective period again, makes the higher highs, and the indicator starts to climb, this is again a strong indication that we are back to the buyer's control and it's time to look for buy opportunities. Want to learn more indicators? Want to learn more trading tricks? Make sure you follow this channel.